Hey guys, I'm Josh Lundy with Refresh LED, and this is our diamond panel. The diamond is the gold standard for LED panels. It's perfect for any application, whether that's ground stacked, rigged, or wall mounted. The diamond can do it all. Our diamond panel is the perfect solution for churches, universities, theaters, and touring bands. This powerhouse delivers top-tier visuals and is durable enough to withstand repeated setup and teardowns. The Refresh LED team has meticulously designed and engineered the diamond panel, paying close attention to every detail. Features like dual side latches, removable PDU, keyed modules, and an all-black aluminum frame set the diamond apart. Let's dive into the diamond. The diamond panel is available in pixel pitches of 1.9, 2.6, 2.9, and 3.9. The modules are easy to remove from the front or the rear and are universally designed to be able to be installed on the top, the bottom, the left, or the right. In addition to being fully front serviceable, the diamond has a brightness level of 800 nits, available in refresh rates up to 7680 Hz, and has a grayscale of 14 to 16 bits. Our team at Refresh has fully designed the diamond panel, from the smallest spring in the corner protectors to the custom handles. This panel is truly one of a kind. Let's dive into some other features that this panel has to offer. Our diamond panel has custom handles at the top and the sides for easy handling, corner protectors to protect the panel during setup, teardown, and transit, safety tethers on the modules, and dual side latches to eliminate any seams and increase the structural integrity of the screen. This panel also features data and power cons and an easily removable PDU to give you access to the hub board and internal components. The all-black aluminum frame isn't only lightweight, but also gives you a clean and professional look. That's the diamond panel. So if you're looking for a durable, easy-to-use LED video wall solution that provides breathtaking visuals, a solid lineup of specs, look no further than the diamond panel. I'm Josh Lundy with Refresh LED. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time.